Hello, welcome to another composing trick video. Today we're going to look at cluster chords and specifically using the choir. Don't forget, if this is your sort of thing, like and subscribe is always appreciated. Let me get myself out the way so you can see everything in full. So there is this melody in horns and glock which we can pretty much ignore. And the effect we are looking to copy is this, the epic choir combo, where we have cluster chords in here, and it sounds like this. Okay, great. So how did I come up with those notes to play? Well, when you're composing, you generally think of a chord for a particular section. So let's think about what I was doing here. I've got D minor, but in general, the scale I'm using is D Dorian, which basically means all the white notes. Nice and easy. So what I could do, let me use two hands to make it easier. I've got these chords to choose from, so I've used D minor and I've gone up to E minor, F and then G. Now I could have made a choice, as we can see in this line here, to use seconds. So suspended seconds would be, if I unmute it, or the next line down, I could have chosen suspended fourths. So some of those sound a bit dissonant. The other option is this combo approach, where you think, okay, there's the triad, I'm going to add the second in and the fourth. This works quite well for stringed instruments as well, and I'm sure you'll find loads of other examples where you can use this. But it's just to let you know, this is a really good way of creating cluster chords for your compositions. So take your triad, your second and your fourth, work out all the notes, put them all together. It's possible you may find that you don't like the sound of some clashing notes because the F is really a sort of F sharp 4, and we've got the B against the C. There's no rules to say if that one doesn't sound nice, you can't just delete it. And similarly down here between the E and the F, you might want to remove one or other of those. I probably wouldn't remove the lower one if that's the very lowest note. I hope you found that interesting. Have fun composing. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.